Hi my dazzlers, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you what all you need in your kit as a beginner. I'll also give you some options in order for you to decide which one you want to add in your kit. I'll also mention the links to the products in the description box below, so you can always go ahead and check that out. These are some of my favorite products that I'm going to recommend to you guys, and I think even if you are a beginner, the right products really matter a lot. You guys also might feel that some of these products are a little bit pricier for a beginner, but as I said, to me the right products really matter a lot. So it's totally on you if you want to go ahead with these products, but this is what I am suggesting you guys, because I have used these products and I know that they are genuinely good and I love them. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. I hope you enjoy watching this video, so let's get started. For the primer, I would definitely suggest the Maybelline Master Prime. Back in the day, I used to use this all the time in most of my videos. Almost in all my videos. This has 30 ml of product in it and is priced at 650 rupees. It does blur out my pores and it makes my skin look fresh and it gives a very soft effect to my skin. This one does not feel greasy. It does not give you that silicone feeling which most of the primers do. This one feels very light on the skin. You can go for this one or you can go for the Nykaa Prep Me Up Face Primer. I love using this too. If you are in a budget, you can go with this one. This one gives a smooth, velvety matte finish, but this one does give you that silicone feel, but not much. This one has 30 grams of product in it and is priced at 499 rupees. This one has vitamin E in it. It's paraben free and it's cruelty free. For the foundation, my first pick will be this Maybelline Fit Me Foundation. This has 30 ml of product in it and is priced at 549 rupees with the pump on, and without the pump it's priced at 500 rupees. I love the shade range. This has got 18 shades and this is very lightweight and feels comfortable on the skin. It's a little matte but not too matte. It does not dry out my skin. This one has got medium to full coverage and is buildable, and this one is perfect for normal to oily skin. This one stays on for a long time. You can either go for this one or you can go for the L'Oreal Paris Infallible 24-hour foundation. This one has 30 ml of product in it and is priced at 1,200 rupees. This one is a full coverage foundation and it stays on for a long time. This one has 11 shades, which I think is okay. It's buildable and it blends super easily. This one gives a very smooth and radiant finish to the skin. Now this one goes well with oily skin and dry skin. This one does not dry out my face. At the same time, it does not make my face look completely matte. If you go for both these foundations, none of them look cakey on the face. For the concealer, it's got to be the Elegirl Pro Conceal HD Concealer. I haven't come across a better blendable, smooth concealer than this one. This one has 8 grams of product in it and is priced at 695 rupees. This one is very creamy yet very lightweight, and it does an amazing job in covering the dark circles and gives a very natural finish. I use this in every video of mine and I cannot do without this concealer. This blends like a dream and is very easy to apply. The shade range is amazing and this one has got 36 shades. This one is the only concealer which I think gives a very natural look, and it does not crease and it does not look cakey. You will need a loose powder to set your face, and in my case, if not the face, then definitely the under eye area. This one is the Bharat and Doris loose powder. I used to use this all the time in my videos. This one has 12 grams of product and is priced at 500 rupees. It's also available in 30 grams and is priced at 675 rupees. This one is extremely fine in texture, and when you set your under eye area, it gives that area an airbrush look, an airbrush finish. This one lasts for a long time, and this one comes in only 2 shades, number 5 and number 7. This one is number 7, and I think both are great for Indian skin tones. Or you can also go with this K-Beauty HD Setting Loose Powder. This one has 10 grams of product in it and it's priced at 799 rupees. This one has got 8 shades and this one is my current favorite and I'm in love with this one. The texture is extremely fine. It blurs out the fine lines and gives an airbrush finish. And this one is long lasting too. I don't experiment with my eyebrow products much, but I can say this, that since the time I started using this, I have only been using this. You get to see this one in all my videos and I cannot do without this one. This one is the Sugar Arch Arrival Brow Definer and this has 0.35 grams of product in it and is priced at 499 rupees. This one lasts for a long time and it's retractable. That means you don't have to waste your time sharpening the product. Now this one has a spoolie on the other end which works pretty good and comes handy if you want to blend after applying the product. That way it looks more natural. This one blends easily, it's waterproof and sweat proof. It comes in 4 shades and the shades are pretty awesome. For eyeshadow I have only one product to show you because I think if you have this one you don't need any other eyeshadow palette. This one is the Makeup Revolution Flawless 4 eyeshadow palette. I used to use this eyeshadow palette all the time in my old videos. You will see how many looks I have created just using this palette. If you want to create an everyday makeup look or a smoky eye, this palette is amazing. This one has 20 grams of product in it and is priced at 1,750 rupees. This one has got 32 shades from neutral to warm to smoky. It's got a mix of matte and shimmer eyeshadows and comes with a full-size good quality mirror. The eyeshadows are long wearing and they are very easy to blend. I think the number of looks that you can create using this palette and the different kinds of looks that you can create using this palette with such good quality product, I think the price is quite reasonable. I mean, if you compare this with the Nykaa eyeshadow palette, which has 12 shades in it and is priced at 1,499 rupees with 9.6 grams of product, I think this one is a pretty good deal. You're just paying 300 extra and you're getting so many more eyeshadows. For mascara, I love this one. This is the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. This one has 10 ml product and is priced at 510 rupees. What I love about this one is the wand. This one has got fanning brush on one side and short bristles on the other side to coat every single lash. And the short bristles, they're amazing for the lower lashes. This one is waterproof. It gives length to the lashes and makes the lashes look fuller. It does not clump my lashes. Now, I forgot how good this is. I have to order another one. Maybelline certainly knows how to make their mascaras. I also love the Colossal Mascara. Unfortunately, I don't have it right now with me. I'm talking about the yellow one, but that one is also really good. That one has 10 ml of product in it and is priced at 405 rupees. Price wise, these two are amazing products. I also love the Sugar Uptown Curl Lengthening Mascara. I use this all the time in almost all my videos. It just coats every lash so nicely. Now this one has 5 grams of product in it and is priced at 499 rupees. Now this one is a little expensive compared to the other two because the other two, they offer double the amount of product for the same price. Now coming to the Kajal, I love this one. This one is the Maybelline Colossal Kajal. This one has 0.35 grams of product and is priced at 180 rupees. This one is super black, super pigmented, and it is smudge proof. If you have super oily lids, now this will smudge. Not only this, any Kajal will smudge. So what you can do is, a little tip for you, is you can take a black eyeshadow and apply it on top of the Kajal, and that way it won't budge. Now this one is retractable, which means that you don't need to sharpen it. It saves a lot of time. Or you can also go with the Lakme Eyeconic Kajal, which comes at the same price with the same amount of product. Both of these Kajals are amazing. For the Lakme one, you get 5 shades. I love their brown shade, but if you ask me, I would go for the Maybelline one because I think the Maybelline one stays for a longer time. For the blush, I would suggest the Savannah Colors Ultra Blush Palette. This one is in shade number 2. I don't know if it's still available. I could not find it online, but this one is a beautiful palette. I could not find this anywhere online, and even if I spotted it in some of the websites, they were priced differently, so I really don't know what's going on. But if you get a hold of it, it is an amazing blush palette. It's got 16 grams of product in it, but I'm really sorry, I don't remember the price, but all I remember is it was super affordable. This palette is very pigmented. You just need the tiniest amount of product. If you mix all the colors in it and apply, it gives a beautiful fresh look. And this one also got a contour shade. In case you don't get this one, you can also go for the Maybelline Ultra Blush Palette. This one has got 3 beautiful blush shades. This one has 13.5 grams of product in it and is priced at 890 rupees. The shades are versatile and will work for every Indian skin tone. It's got a peach, it's got a pink, it's got a maroonish, reddish, mauvish. I don't know where I'm going with this one, but the shades are beautiful. This is blendable and is very pigmented. This one has got tiny glitters in it, more like shimmers, which gives a beautiful glowy effect to the cheeks. Now this also comes with a highlighter. Speaking of the highlighter, this highlighter is amazing. The highlighter is finely milled. It's more of a champagne-y highlighter. It looks very natural. It sits beautifully and it blends beautifully and it's buildable. I love this kit because not only you get 3 beautiful blushes that work well with all Indian skin tones, but it comes with a really good highlighter. Now coming to contour and highlight, the first palette I'm going to show you is the Maybelline Master Contour Palette. This one has 10 grams of product and is priced at 950 rupees. In this palette you get a contour, a blush and a highlight, which means that if you get this palette you don't have to get a separate contour, a separate blush or a separate highlight. The blush in here is a peachy pink blush and it's got shimmers in it, which gives a beautiful glow to the cheeks. This one does not have chunky glitters, it's just got very beautiful subtle shimmers. The blush gives a beautiful natural flushed effect and the contour is a perfect shade. It's neither too warm nor too cool. It's a perfect mix of both. The contour is very pigmented. I love the highlighter. This is a very subtle highlighter. It's pigmented and it's not too intense. Now again, this one has a very nice balance to it. If you want to go for a very natural look, a very natural highlighter, then just apply a tiny amount. You can layer the highlighter and make it look intense if you want to, or just apply a tiny amount and it will look very natural. All these 3 products, they're very buildable and blendable. Or you can also opt for this Makeup Revolution Ultra Sculpt and Contour Kit. This one has 10.8 grams of product in it and is priced at 850 rupees. This one has a contour shade, a highlight shade and a bronzer. The contour shade is matte and is very pigmented. You just need a very little amount of this and it blends beautifully. This too is neither warm nor cool toned and is a perfect mix of both. I love the bronzer in it. It's not matte, it's got shimmers in it, but not chunky glitters. It's got beautiful shimmers in it and it looks very glowy. When applied on your face, it gives a beautiful glow to the skin and it gives a sun-kissed look to the skin. The bronzer is warm toned and it adds warmth to your face. Sometimes I only use the bronzer and leave the contour and it looks beautiful. I love the highlighter too. This one is a champagne shade and it's very pigmented. Now this one is a medium highlighter. You can build it and intensify it, or if you want to go for an intense highlight, then you can go for the Makeup Revolution Pro Illuminate. This one has 15 grams of product in it and is priced at 850 rupees. You will never run out of it. I mean, just look at the size. It is huge. And this one is an intense highlighter. Or you can also go for the PAC Glitz and Glare Shimmer Highlighter Powder. This is in the shade Blink Wink and this has 7 grams of product in it and is priced at 795 rupees. Now this one is a finely milled loose highlighter and is super intense. For lipsticks, I would recommend the Miss Claire Soft Matte Lip Creams. They have 6.5 grams of product and they're priced at 295 rupees. And they offer 63 shades. I mean, that is incredible. They are soft, creamy, and they have a velvety finish and they're very lightweight and pigmented. They do not dry out my lips and they're long lasting too. I mean, I seriously love them. Given the price range and the shade range, I think this is perfect for the beginners. Or you could also go with the Sugar Smudge Me Not lipsticks. They have 4.5 ml product and they're priced at 499 rupees and they have 52 shades. They are very pigmented liquid matte lipsticks. These are very pigmented, lightweight, and they do not smudge. Another additional product that I would suggest is this PAC Hydration Gel. This, when mixed with the primer, it gives a beautiful glow to the skin and it hydrates the skin. It makes a smooth base for your makeup and the makeup glides on super smooth. This one has 35 ml of product and is priced at 845 rupees. This one does not clog your pores. This one is vegan and it's cruelty free. So that was it, guys. I hope you liked it, and right now I'm out of breath. So these were my favorite products and I think they're not only perfect for beginners but for every makeup lover. Thank you so much for watching and I hope you enjoyed this video. List your favorite products in the comment section below and I'll check them out. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Click on the bell icon and I'm going to see you in my next video. Till then, go forth and dazzle.